I've made a lot of stereoscopic 3D videos with these GoPro Hero 7 Black cameras, but you haven't seen most of them because I haven't published them. You see, I ran into a frustrating problem using the Vegas Pro software, and I was trying to make a 4K video. One video from one camera and the other video from the other camera, side by side like the one behind me. But I had a problem. The software was giving me mono video for some reason when I tried to pair them. But I have now found a solution, and I will present my solution on this video. Unfortunately, it is not scientific because the settings that I changed, when I changed them back to the way they were, the problem did not come back. So that's not science. But I will show you an emulation of what it was doing to me, because I can't duplicate it, and then I'll show you the solution and you can take it from there. If you have this problem, hopefully this will help you out. Let's look at it right now. Alright, I have loaded Vegas Pro 18 up here. I'm going to change some settings here. We'll go to 8-bit. We'll just leave this as HD for right now. And we've got the 3D off. It doesn't matter whether you've got 3D on or off at this point. We're just going to load in our images, our video. So we're doing the right side video. And if your resolution is different from what the GoPro is, then it'll ask you, it'll do this. You just say yes, because now it's 4K. So if I go up here into the settings, now it's in 4K, or what people consider 4K, 3840 by 2160. Okay, we'll get the other video clip here. Pull the left side clip into the editor. And now you'll see that the video is audio, video, audio, and of course up here is your other video. And what you need to do is you need to get both videos together. So you pull that one up one. And now you need to set this to stereoscopic, whatever kind of stereoscopic setting you want, which would be right here. I would suggest starting with side by side. Now for this demo, because I can't get it to do the error, I'm going to have to just set it to left only, because that'll show you what it looks like when this happens. So I'm going to click the bottom clip right here, and you could label these clips over here. You could do right and left, whatever they are. So I'll just go ahead and label them real quick. It probably has nothing to do with this demo, but there you go. Now you can follow along. So you click the left one, you shift click the right one, and right click and pair as stereoscopic. And nothing happens. Yep. That's exactly what would happen if you had this problem, and I was having this problem for a very long time. Here is the solution. Go to Options, Preferences, and the Video tab, and there is a thing that says Automatically Create Video Proxies for Greater than 4K Resolution Media. This was on auto, and whenever there was a clip that was very long, it would go ahead and start saying, I'm building a proxy. It would have a little thing down here that says building a proxy, kind of like it builds the audio when you bring it in. And if you don't know what a proxy is, it's just a lower resolution file that allows you to quickly edit and do all the things you need to do. And then at the end, when you render, hopefully you'll choose best as your rendering setting, and that will render off of the original files. So the solution to this is just put it from auto to off, and then you can apply or OK, whatever. So what Vegas was doing is it was using the proxy videos, and apparently you can't pair the proxy videos into a stereoscopic subclip. And so that was my problem. It would only show a mono subclip. And now let me go back. Okay, so I undid that so that it's the correct way, and we'll go ahead and put this to half, side by side half. You click that, shift click the top, and then pair as stereoscopic. And now you can see that one camera was upside down, so definitely it worked. And the left one was on the bottom, so it put it over here. Now to fix that, it's easy. You just go to stereoscopic 3D adjust in your video effects. So you select that, scroll all the way down here, and then pull that over and drop it on. And then you go into your corrections. And since we're dealing with the right side, we go right, right. And that's all you have to do, and now you're ready to go. Now, of course, you can go into your adjustments of vertical alignment. I think this left one is just slightly rotated, and of course I didn't sync it. You can tell that there was no car in this one, and there is in this one. So I did not sync the audio. You can look down at the audio and it is off by a lot. I'll show you how to synchronize it real quick. Let's go back. Way back. Get the way back machine. There we go. That's before we paired it up. So let's go ahead and sync this. So it's the same procedure. You could click on that one, shift click on that one, and right click. Actually, no, not right click, sorry. Go to Tools, go to Multi-Camera, Synchronize Audio to Align Events. And now you'll see the little thing here that says it's going to synchronize your audio to align your events. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped you out if you were having a problem with the Vegas Pro software. I've tried this with Vegas 12, I've tried it with Vegas 15, I've got Vegas 18 installed, and this is the first time I've been able to solve the problem. Hopefully this will solve it for you if you have the same thing. And I'll see you in the next video, hopefully in 3D and hopefully in 4K.